ZENA stock analysis and ZENA stock prediction. In this 1 minute video, I'm going to show you exactly what I'm going to do in trade. I'm the only guy in the space that's done over 45,000 videos and has the proof of everything. You know, I've documented it all. It's taken me 5 years on my YouTube channel. So I've seen what's working for me and what's not. Especially with ZenaTech. Well, I mentioned in one of my previous videos that, you know, 3 in a row I've got long corrects, then I got a break even and a loss. And the only time where I would look to take things further higher is if I saw proper swing shift, right? So I saw the first one. If it pulls down and gives me a second one, that's when I will look to take things up. But other than that, everything else would just rather be noise, right? So that's how ZenaTech is looking like. And also, even if I pop up here, it's 9 receipts. Nothing else that I would add, right? Like that's ZenaTech, and we're sitting at 510. So let me know what is your opinion on ZenaTech. If you want to get free money making emails and insights, and just click the first link in the description, and I will be seeing you in the next one. Bye bye.